All right, guys, welcome to the AI Breakfast Lab. My name is Ed Garza. This is where entrepreneurs, creators, and business builders learn how to use artificial intelligence to move faster with speed, to create more and stay competitive in this new AI economy. Every day, Monday through Friday, we are here at the same time. We take one real business challenge. We show you one or two AI tools that solve it and demonstrate a real outcome that you could replicate for your business. So let's go ahead and jump in to the AI Breakfast Lab and the details that we need to cover this morning. All right, let me share my screen. Excellent. All right, let me pull up our educational component here this morning. All right, this is our core teaching formula at the AI Breakfast Lab. Number one, we discover the problem, like we talked about at the beginning, identifying the challenge. And then we explore the tools. We have plenty of tools on our platform. We're the AI Global Wholesale Club. We learn about the solution and we work on a project together. We make something, we build the asset. Then we go over the outcome to see the results. That is our demo method. Now, our learning method is real simple. If you're a guest here, or if you're watching this for the first time, we use what's called the OODA loop. You first observe, you have the observation stage and the orientation. That's what you're going to go through. We suggest you use this learning pattern to learn because we want you to become more efficient at this, not confused. So the observation, orientation, then you can make a decision. Hopefully, by the end of our demonstration, in our demo this morning, you'll make a decision and you'll take action. That is the goal of the AI Breakfast Lab and our whole learning module with Momentum Tech. Today, we're going to look at a problem. Most entrepreneurs struggle with constant content creation. They know you should be posting regularly, but they run into three problems. Number one, they don't know what to post. Number two, they don't have time to create content. Number three, they run out of ideas quickly. As a result of the three problems, their social media goes quiet, their audience forgets about them, and their business loses visibility. Consistency in content is one of the biggest drivers of growth, but it's also one of the hardest things to maintain. This is the problem. This is a problem not just with you, but all of us possibly. I know my wife faces this with her business, her traditional business. We certainly know restaurants are faced with this. A lot of vertical markets are faced with this, nonprofits, churches, right? It's a problem. The real challenge is not posting, the real challenge is planning. Stop figuring out what to post today. Most people just never plan it. Successful marketers plan it. They plan it out. Most people stop figuring out what to post today because they don't have a plan. So creating a plan 30 days of content is something that we can do with our AI platform. It creates momentum once you start to plan it out, plan it for all your social media. So the real challenge is in planning. So we want to attack the planning part of it and tackle it with two specific tools. This is our Monday solution. Today we're going to be using the social media campaigner and maybe even the Wow GPT and LinkedIn Rocket. We're going to be constantly looking at these tools instead of guessing what to post. AI is going to help us generate the entire campaign structure using these tools. Now, let's get started. Let's make posts. that are magnets to AI search engines. And really, by the end of this, we're going to have what I like to coin a phrase, and it's something I'm working on right now. I like to coin this as an AI grand slam social media domination. This is a grand slam. Talking about baseball here, guys. Look, we're going to, every batter starts at home base, but first base is generating social strategy 30, 60, 90 days. We're going to do that. We're going to create high converting posts using tools that we have in the platform. We're going to create scroll stopping visuals is next, is something that we could do. I think images is tomorrow. Maybe we'll play a little bit with that today. And then obviously we're going to do captions and hashtags, engagement hooks, and calls to actions, right? The problems, I don't know what to post and I don't have time, remember? And we're going to hit a grand slam today. I mean, people would join our AI platform just for this. Just this alone is worth the $39 that we charge for our AI platform. The AI Grand Slam social media. Everything you need from end to end to create engaging social media posts. That is what we're going to be talking about today. So let's get started. You know, we left off at our last one, and if you don't remember what our YouTube two videos are, the last 2 days, we talked about the first one. We're doing a series here. We did one on blogs. You know, AI ready blogs. We wrote one. We went through keywords. We did that on Thursday. Then on Friday we went and we took the same Wow GPT that we trained right here under Wow GPT. I'm going to stay here and then I'm going to go to another tool here in just a minute. And in the Wow GPT, we went to our Momentum Tech plot conversation down here and we created blog topics with the keywords that we generated. And then we wrote blogs. Then we wrote the copy for our website on Friday with this same GPT right here that we are using, this Wow GPT. And we wrote the copy for the landing page and we built the landing page live. We even wrote a little 10 points, 10 tips, right, for getting AI ready, right? We wrote it all right here in the Wow GPT. Okay. So you can see here, there's the tips. See, tip three, tip two, tip one, tip two. So we put all that together. Tip five. So we gave away a 10 tip strategies on how to become AI ready. And we built a page, a funnel for that. So that was on Friday. Today, we're going to do social media posts. So let's just go down here. Let's talk to the Wow GPT. And let me show you how fast we can come up with all the social posts that we need to for our offering, right? So watch this. Let's go ahead and create 10 engaging social posts for our upcoming AI Accelerator Summit. I want you to be very persuasive and use emotional triggers to get them to take action. Keep the tone edgy, persuasive, and even controversial. And generate 10 social posts for me with trending hashtags to start with. Okay, so let's go ahead and create 10 engaging social posts for our upcoming AI Accelerator Summit. Okay, perfect. Period. I want you to be very persuasive and use emotional triggers to get them to take action. Keep the tone edgy, persuasive, and even controversial, and generate 10 social posts for me with Trending hashtags. Let's see what it does first. I gave it a little bit of parameters, what I want. All right, so let's see what it does. I want 10, and then once I get 10, then I could do 10 more, 10 more. I do 30, and then I could get a whole collection of engaging social posts that are ready. So let's go ahead and start here. We'll open up a Word document here. And we'll create a new one here. New Google Doc. That way I can just paste the social post right in there. Next, we're going to go over the AI social campaigner. And we're going to see what we can do with that as well. So I want to create like maybe 60 days of social posts, or at least 30 days. 30 days. So maybe I'll do 20 here, and then I'll do take it over, and I'll do 10 more with the AI social campaigner. Okay. Okay. Awesome. All right, here we go. Let's see what these are. SEO is dead. Isn't clickbait. It's Tuesday. AI assistants don't browse, they decide. If you're not the answer, you're invisible. Be the one they return, not the one they ignore. Save your spot at the AI Accelerator something. Link in comments. Hashtag. Okay, great, great, great. I don't know what that is. So let's just we'll remove that. All we're going to do is say remove. Okay. Your content can't be read by AI assistants in 3 seconds. You just lost the sale. Harsh. True. Come to learn how to become the default answer in your market. Seats move fast. Perfect. Better earlier. Okay. I'll tell you what, let's do something else here. Let's go to the Momentum Tech Summit. Let's add some meat to this. Okay. What I'll do, I'll copy all this. Okay. I'm just going to copy that. Okay. Remove Tuesday and then consider all these details. Okay. So this is where you're going to continue to expand on it to get what you want. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? Excellent. So now it's added the date, right? Added the certification. Now we're cooking. Let's see what these look like now. All right. Excellent. Let's go down here. Be the answer when it counts. AI doesn't browse, it decides. If assistants can't read a clear answer from your brand, they return someone else. West Nashville, okay. Receipt, AI3, register now. Blue links are history. Okay, okay. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. All right, now let's go ahead and get the link in there. And let me add some more details to it. I'm going to add some of my voice brand in there. Here is the web link to register for the event. Go ahead and put these in the social media posts as a call to action. And consider these other factors. Because of the change of the way people are searching online using AI bots or AI engines such as ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Copilot, or Claude, whatever they're using, has changed the way results are given because AI reads differently and needs a special code on your website in order to even access your company. So what's happening is most businesses are disappearing without even being notified slowly. The concept is it's time to get AI ready, to make your websites AI ready, to make the content on your websites AI ready, to make your social profiles ready, to make your social posts ready. Every piece of content matters now. In order for AI to return you as the answer when somebody is searching for your business type, take this concept and reword these social posts, break down the social posts into main points because AI likes structured content. So structure the social post so that AI understands exactly what the social post is about up front and make them more engaging and a little bit longer. Be very clear and use fifth grade level language so people understand what's in it for them to come to our AI Accelerator Summit. So I know my business. I know what our event is about. So basically, you would take what I'm doing and you know your business. So you talk about it. You give AI what you want, right? I'm giving it some more information so that it understands a little bit more. That's all you have to do. You take your genius, your anointed intelligence, and you put it in our platform. And the good thing about our platform, this Wild GPT, has ironclad walls to protect my intellectual property. No one else can copy what I'm doing. I'm not training the GPT to become smarter. I'm training it to become smarter for not for everybody. I'm training it for myself and for my own purpose. Understand? That's the concept. All right, now let's see here. Perfect. All right, let's look here. Post number one. Here are 10 longer social posts. Okay. Clarity. Yes. What changed? AI doesn't browse, it decides why it matters. If AI can't read your site, it won't show your business. Hidden problem. Most sites don't have the right structure, so they disappear. What you'll learn. How to make your pages, posts, and profiles AI ready. When and where? Free AI Accelerator Summit, West Nashville, Saturday, April 18th. Bonus. Earn your AI 3 certificate. Register now. Perfect. Great social post right there. Yeah, love it. All right. Number two, be the answer. Excellent. Fact, AI assistants pick one answer fast. Goal, make that answer your business. How? Use simple first lines, clear headings, short FAQs, and one next step. We'll show you how. How to build answer pages, AI ready shorts and posts. Event, free AI Accelerator Summit, West Nashville, Saturday, April 18th. Certification, AI 3 ready on site. Claim your seat. Boom. Why most sites disappear. AI needs simple labels to read your site. Problem, most sites don't have them, so AI skips them. Fix, add clear first line answers, a mini FAQ, and one clean action. Learn how. Turn your content into AI ready answers in one day. The event, free AI Accelerator Summit, West Nashville, April 18th, 10:30 to 4:30. Result, get found, get chosen, get AI 3 certified. Register now. Social that AI understands the problem, the fix, the then you'll learn in the event. I love the pattern it's going through. It's consistency. And I like that. And AI will like it too. If you haven't noticed, for example, if you go to ChatGPT, let me just show you guys something. Social platforms are really, let's just do a new chat and let's just, let me log, see if I can log out. Let's just log out here. Okay, all right. Logged out. Now I want to ask it something. And I want you to see what it returns as the sources. 'Cause why are we spending time on social media? Okay, why is it relevant to AI and search in the first place, right? So let's just type in AI breakfast lab. Let's just try that. So I'm not logged in. I'm on a free account. Just typing in AI breakfast lab. I heard about this event. Let's see if it what ChatGPT returns. And I want to specifically show you.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited.
Waiting for it. Let's try it again. AI breakfast lab. Okay. So it knows about us, right? AI Breakfast Lab is an online learning networking event community designed for entrepreneurs, creators, and professionals who want to learn how to use artificial intelligence tools in business and daily work. So that's the link directly to our site, aibreakfastlab.com. That's a source that it found. So our site is producing pretty good results for the search. What it is, it's a daily virtual session. The source is our website. What happens in the typical session? There's our social site. There's our site there. Okay. All right. And it goes why. Okay. The morning style, things to be aware of. Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. AI Breakfast Lab. All right. So here's some other sources. Let's look at the sources over here. AI Breakfast Lab. See here. Luma, AI Lab, a lot of different sources here. Okay. Let's ask it some more. Can you tell me more about the lab events and AI summits with Momentum Tech? I'm trying to find some social posts for you. Okay. Momentum Tech AI. All right. So let's look here. I'm trying to validate a point here. All right. All right. Here we go. Schedule. All right. Typical schedule. Opportunity. There's Eventbrite. Eventbrite. Okay. AI Breakfast Lab. Okay. Sources. Nope, nothing. Okay, let's log in. Let's check it when I'm logged in here. Try something else. Do chat. I want to show you that it does find and it does matter on your social platform. So here's AI Breakfast Lab. Okay. All right. It's our website. Okay. Yes, it has everything about us, of course, because I'm logged in. Yes. Okay. Yes. The goal. It knows a lot. All right. Okay. Okay. Perfect. All right. Here we go. Let's look at some sort. Where are the sources at? See here. Sources. You have any sources or anything, Facebook or YouTube for them? Okay, there you go. There's YouTube. Here's sources right here. So YouTube, Momentum Tech, Breakfast Lab overview. Yeah, so YouTube, man. Here's Facebook, AI Breakfast Lab. Here's another one. So let's look here. This is what it's picking up here. So there you go. It's picked up as short, maybe. Yeah, remember that when I did that? So I picked that up. So AI is looking at all this, right? To pull information. Here's a Facebook. What's this? It's another video. Okay, yep. There's a little video there that I did promoting the AI Breakfast Lab. This one that Raymond Merritt did this one. This was posted by Raymond Merritt promoting the AI Breakfast Lab. Yeah. So see, posts are important. It's YouTube. It's our YouTube video, right? Of an AI Breakfast Lab recording. All right, guys, welcome. All right, there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, so you understood. So doing social posts are important because they will rank and help on AI engines. They show up there is my main point. Okay. The more you do, the more you'll be found. So obviously our website is found on ChatGPT, Copilot, different places, AIBreakfastLab.com. But in the background, the way it's finding more information about you is through AI. Okay. And we're the same way on Google. All right. So let's just copy these. I like these. What do you guys think of these? Yeah, put these posts. Do you like them? Put a 5 in the chat if you like them. Right? There's 3, there's 6, and there is 10 posts. Love it. They're fantastic. So let's copy those and let's put them over here. There you go. Right? Love it. Now, let's get rid of the bullet points here. I'll just go through here and just get rid of the bullet points. Okay, perfect. I just like to format this so I can easily organize it. So this is 10 posts that we are ready with. Okay. And I think they're winners too. So cool stuff. Now let's go ahead and create some more. I told you I would do 30 days, so we'll do 30 days. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I am going to PDF this. We'll call it the Momentum Tech AI Summit social posts. Okay. And let's go ahead and file. Let's download a PDF. All right. Excellent. All right. Now let's go back to the WildGPT. And now I got those 10. Let's get some other ones ready. Let's go to create social posts or design social posts. And here's the social campaigner tool. Now you can see here, the social media tool will generate specific posts for you. This is our campaigner tool, but I'm going to use our social coach instead. Okay. Now I already have it trained here on Momentum Tech. So, but I'm going to add this PDF that I just downloaded of the 10 social posts, right? To give it a little momentum. So this is called Momentum Tech AI. There it is right there. So there it is. I uploaded it. Now I could give it some direction. I want 20 engaging posts that are, let me just talk. Watch this. These are some social posts that I had designed. I want you to use this as a basis. Don't recreate them. Create your own unique as a social coach. And I want you to create 10 for Facebook and 10 for LinkedIn. The target market for Facebook is entrepreneurs and anyone wanting to learn AI. The target market for LinkedIn are business professionals, executives, people that own businesses that need to become AI ready and want to learn how to become AI ready when it comes to all their social content, website. Every piece of content matters, every code matters on your website now. The rules have changed. The internet game has changed. It's time to capture and get engaged in the AI revolution. So this is the social coach. It does amazing jobs of creating social content for you fast. Give it some parameters, give it some knowledge, and on a weekend, in 10 minutes, you can create some engaging social posts. So we're at 30 days pretty much for the most part on all our social posts by the time this is done here already. We've tweaked it, we've adjusted it. And then we could take these and we could even make them AI ready even more. We can create more posts with Facebook Rocket or LinkedIn Rocket, right? And do even more. You could grab different styles. So it's 10 for Facebook and 10 for LinkedIn. Okay. So let's look at the LinkedIn ones. The new rule of relevance. AI doesn't scan your brand for style, it hunts for clear answers. If your pages and posts don't lead with the answer, you're invisible. We'll show you how to structure content and code so AI can read, rank, and recommend your business. Free AI Accelerator Summit, West Nashville, Saturday, April 18th. AI 3 certification included. Register. Beautiful LinkedIn. It's great, right? With a good image, that's great copy, right? Done. Answer first websites win. Executives want speed and certainty. So does AI. Make every key page do three things. The first line, the answer. Mini FAQ, fast clarity. One button, next step. Get the playbook and build it in one afternoon. Join us at the Momentum Tech AI Summit. Perfect. Every line of code now matters. Titles, headings, schema, FAQs. These tiny signals guide AI. We'll map the essential README structure for your site and your social content in plain English. Walk away with templates that your team can launch immediately. Save your seat at MomentumTechAISummit.com. Be the single answer AI returns. Assistants give one pick fast. To be that pick, lead with outcomes, support with Proofline, close with one free action. We'll build your first answer engine on site. Local, simple, chosen, near me. Perfect. Oh, these are great content. Perfect. We definitely can create some great social posts around this. Okay, so let's just copy these 10. These are for LinkedIn. I'm going to go to the Facebook ones next. So we're going to go to our little document here. We're going to create some LinkedIn ones here. All right. And then we're going to come back here and let's go to our Facebook ones here. Social that understands. Pretty alone won't perform. Start with a question your audience asks. Give the answer in 1 to 2 lines and 2 quick tips. Okay, perfect. Tell you what, let's redo the Facebook posts. Eliminate some of the technical jargon and action steps. Present the problem that most companies are not AI ready. They can't be found on AI search engines when people type or speak into AI searches. Everything has changed now. It's time to upgrade your static websites. Start adding fresh content on it that AI can find the right way. Rewrite them more for entrepreneurs and people that are on affiliate marketing or network marketing or sales, and keep it simpler for them to understand. Don't confuse them with all the steps and step 1 and step 2, and just present the problem and tell them that we have the solution. You know the size of the problem, it's huge. Okay, excellent. I didn't like the direction it was going. Not sure what you guys thought, but sometimes AI could be a little bit too technical, right? So I want it to be a little more simpler to understand. Because really, the main concept here is there's a problem. Here's if you can present the problem and show the problem, then we need to provide a solution, right? That's it. That's simple. Okay, let's go up here and let's look now. Yeah. AI doesn't search, it chooses. When people ask AI for the best near me, it picks one answer fast. If your site isn't AI ready, you're invisible and your competitors get the click. Want to be the answer? Perfect. Simple. Static websites are getting skipped. Old, quiet sites don't get returned by AI. You need fresh, clear content that says what you do, where you do it, and why you're trusted. Right up top. We'll get you upgraded. We'll get you upgrade fast. We'll help you upgrade fast. Start here. Your prospects are asking AI first, who should I hire? What's the best near me? If AI can't read your offer in plain language, you're not even in the conversation. Fix your visibility now. Local near me is an AI decision now. If your first line doesn't say city and service, AI often moves on. Busy buyers won't dig, AI won't either. Get your local pages ready so you show up and get picked. Pretty posts say nothing. Don't pretty posts that say nothing don't win AI, and people reward clear answers. Say what you do, who it's for, and the next step in simple words. We'll help you turn your ideas into AI-friendly content that converts. Affiliates and network marketers, duplication matters in your team. You can't explain the offer in one clean post. You lose momentum. Give AI readable posts and pages that get found and shared. Every word matters now. AI looks for clear answers. Perfect. The cost of waiting is real. Clicks, trust beats hype, and AI notices. Yes, the gap is growing. Perfect. Like it. I like them. They're good. Definitely could create some really good images there. All right, so we'll put these here for Facebook. So there's 30 posts done that I would approve of, right? There we go. Now, now that we did that, right? That's done. let's look at a header here, a couple headers. I think I want to give you guys a bonus here this morning. We got 15 minutes. So let's give you guys a bonus. Let's create a another social asset. Let's play with images a little bit. Okay. So let me get rid of the other confusion here. And let me look at my drive here. And let's look at what's it called? What's it called? It's called prompt. Okay. Looking for a prompt here. Okay. Give me a second here. I know I found it somewhere. Give me a moment here. I know I sent it to you, James. So let me just look here. There it is. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna take this right here and let's change some things here. So let me get this, move that. And let's bring that over here. All right. So now let's do this. Let's look at their social posts and let's just see something here. I want to look at some of the top. I'll give you guys these social posts if you want them also here at the end. So I'm going to look for a couple of taglines here. A second here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to paste something in here. This is the prompt. I'm going to give you guys this prompt here also. I'm going to copy that. And you want here, drum roll, please. So create an image. So let's create an image. Let's create a GPT image. Let's go to the image creator here. Okay. So I'm going to create a character and I'm going to paste that entire prompt in here. And I'm going to say 916. Now, if I say 916, then I need to upload a 916 picture. Okay. If I upload a 1:1 picture or a 16:9 picture, it's going to default to that picture that you uploaded. You understand, guys? But just because you pick 916, if you upload an image that's not 916, it's not going to work. Okay. So I'm going to download this image here. I got an image of myself. This is the image right here that I'm going to upload. It's a 916. I'll just drag it over to the platform. Make sure that's it here. Yeah, that's it. So all you do is click on this little upload here, see? And then it gives you, when I click on this, it opens this. You can drag and drop the image down here. So I'm going to drag the image down here. And this is 28 credits, which is not a lot of money. I mean, it's pretty. I can go high, like a high volume, like a little bit higher, even 112 is not a lot, right? You could choose whichever one you want. For the purposes of today, I'm going to do the high, the quality. You could do medium, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to do high. And I put that prompt in there, and let's look at what it generates. Okay, so this is the whole prompt. It takes about a few minutes. This is all your history over here. So what I did is I took one of the social posts that we did, and I took a headline from it. It's post number 2 right here. AI assistants pick one answer, right? I picked that for the text that was below the prompt here that I had. Put this text above his head. AI assistants pick one answer fast. That way I could use it for that social post. This is just one example of the AI tools you could use in the platform, but this one probably is of most interest to a lot of people. So the fact that you could do this. Most of our AI tools in the platform are free. The only ones that are not are the GPT image creator and the Model Me. I made this image with the Model Me, which is a one-time fee, I think of $6 to model yourself, put yourself in a suit like I did right here, right? In a beautiful suit in an office. You pay one-time fee to model yourself. You can create a model of yourself, put yourself on the beach or wherever you want, whatever kind of clothes, cowboy hat, doesn't matter. There's a Model Me image creation tool in the platform, and it's all under Create Images here. We're going to be working on this tomorrow, the whole thing on this. So there is there's the Model Me anything. I'm in the GPT image creator right now. These are the only two, the ones that cost just a little bit of money, not much. We pass on our enterprise pricing to you. Enterprise, not retail. Just just right over enterprise below wholesale pricing when it comes to doing these images right here. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at it. All right, look at there. Now, looks like it didn't like the image because maybe it was the wrong size, right? Maybe it was the wrong size. So maybe I need to choose like this one here, right? So let's try to do that next. So let's just copy the prompt. Pretty cool, huh? What do you guys think? There's the prompt. Let's try it again. So this is in the image, GPT image creator, and you could do this in. Let me give you guys the prompt. Share this. What you'll want to do when you click on the link is you'll want to go to File and make a copy. File and make a copy when you get the link when I send it to you here in a minute. You'll want to make your own copy. Make a copy for yourself. That way you can edit it and change it how you want it. You could even take this prompt and put it in Ask Ed or the Wild GPT and say, change this for me. Here's my industry. Okay. So let me share and copy that link. And let me give this to everybody. Okay. If James is still here, if you want to try to create an image of different industry, you certainly can. Would love for you to try.
I'm actually helping someone with a tech issue.
Okay. All right. So we're working on this right now. You can see. There we go. Here we go. There it is. He even gave me a mustache. How about that? That's cool. Yeah. And then I can make this character talk. Right? It's a caricature of me. AI assistants pick one answer, right? Or I can just download the picture and use that image with that social post, right? And that social post is pretty cool, right? All right, here's the social post right here. See? AI assistants pick one answer fast. Picks one answer. And it has me holding up a finger for one. Pretty cool, right? So that's just one of the ways. Yes, you can create this is the GPT image creator that we're using right now. So how would I make it talk? Okay, let's just download it. Let's make it talk. Download. Okay. So then let's take, and this is extra bonus because we're done with today. We solved the problem, right? We solved the problem. We're talking about social posts. Now we'll talk about video on another day, but somebody asked, how can I make that image talk? Well, it's real simple. I just come here and I'm in the video spokesperson avatar app under videos. This is a grand slam offer right here too, guys. I mean, this is a grand slam, easy to sell to businesses, right? So let's just put in, matter of fact, let's just create a audio first. I got some time to do this, I think, not to get off topic. And let's go to our social post here. And let's just type, paste in this. Okay. So the image that you upload, guys, is important. The quality of your image is the very first impression that you're going to give to AI. So you want to upload a good picture, right? So mhm. Let me see here. Welcome, Jennifer. Glad you're here. All right. All right, so let's create an audio voiceover. We'll go custom audio voice, paste. I have a little script I'm gonna put in here. Okay, let's just go here. I'm gonna use somebody else's voice. I could use my voice, but just for simplicity, we don't have a lot of time. And it's Brian, and I just generate. So I like to do the audio first. So here it is right here. So here's the audio. You don't get charged to do this either. This is free.
Make AI choose your business. Most business owners don't realize this yet. AI assistants pick one answer fast. When someone asks AI a question like, who should I hire? Who's the best near me? Where should I go? AI doesn't give a long list. It usually gives one answer. The goal is simple. Make that answer your business. How do you do it? You structure your content so AI can easily understand it. Use simple first lines. Add clear headings. Create short FAQs that answer real questions. And always include one clear next step. At the free AI Accelerator Summit in West Nashville, we'll show you exactly how to build. Answer pages that AI assistants pull from our AI-ready shorts that surface in AI search. Posts designed for AI discovery. Join us Saturday, April 18th. You can also get AI 3 Ready certified on site. Claim your seat now, MomentumTechAISummit.com.
If you don't see the screen, I'm sharing the screen. You just need to change the your view at the top of your Zoom. Okay, guys? Okay. So obviously coming in here and I want to edit something right here, I could just go and edit, right? And you can see you can come in here and you can just edit anything in here. Who should I hire? Should I go? Right? How do you do it? Use a simple first lines. There's one thing I heard. Here it is. Answer pages that AI assistants pull. AI assistants can find. Can discover. Okay. All right, perfect. And then we just go to redo, regenerate. I'm going to make time to do this. All right, looks like it's done.
Make AI choose your business. Most business owners don't realize this yet. AI assistants pick one answer fast. When someone asks AI a question like, who should I hire? Who's the best near me? Where should I go? AI doesn't give a long list. It usually gives one answer. The goal is simple. Make that answer your business. How do you do it? You structure your content so AI can easily understand it. Use simple first lines, add clear headings, create short FAQs that answer real questions, and always include one clear next step. At the free AI Accelerator Summit in West Nashville, we'll show you exactly how to build. Answer pages that AI assistants can discover. AI-ready shorts that surface in AI search. Posts designed for AI discovery. Join us Saturday, April 18th. You can also get AI 3 Ready certified on site. Claim your seat now, MomentumTechAISummit.com.
Download that MP3. And then I'm just going to come right in here in the videos and I'm going to make a video spokesperson. So that somebody asks, how can I make it talk? I create a project. And then I'm going to skip to upload the audio. I'm going to say, yes, I confirm this is my voice. And I just downloaded that AI voice. I could also just record my own voice or clone it if I want to. Since it's a character picture of me, there's the video audio. Right? That's the video.
Make AI choose your
audio, I come all the way down the bottom and I click on create avatar. I could upload an avatar. That's what I want to do. Or I could generate one. So I'm going to upload an avatar. So I just drop that image in here that I just made. The generated image. And I drop it right there. See, there I am right there. And I've done other ones here too. See, that's me talking there. That's me talking right there as well. Right? Caricatures I've done. That's me talking. There's Angela talking. There's Wilma talking. There's Dr. Breakthrough talking. There's me talking right there, a little bit different. There's Jeanette talking. Right? Cool stuff, right? We've made a lot of characters, puppies, foxes, babies, mummies, models, rabbits, cougars, Jolly Green Giant. And let's generate. There I am, and there's the voice. And I just click on generate AI spokesperson right there. And then you wait for it, and then this character will be talking. That's how you do it, guys. That's the Grand Slam. So let me give you guys the posts too that we designed. Might as well give those to you guys because we want you guys promoting it and so forth. So you can see the example, right? So I'm just going to copy that link. And here is the 30 days of social posts that we just did for all of you. And I'm taking this video, little image we created. While that's doing it, and we got to have some other time here. We'll spend just a little bit more time tomorrow. we're going to really focus on images for all of these social posts that you just saw us design. We're going to focus in on it. So you want to join us and don't miss it. So we got the AI creator image here. This thing can create any type of images you want. Whether you want to be on the beach, you want to create some pictures. I got some pelicans here, some maps. We create all kinds of fun stuff here. Rabbits, characters, you name it. We can create it in here, right? All kinds of images. Create pictures of food, pictures of individuals and Pixar characters. We can create all kinds of cool stuff. And we're going to have some fun with this tomorrow, and as well as our image GPT tool tomorrow. Because the GPT tool in the platform, mark my word, is fantastic with words. You tell it you want captions, like we can put captions on all our social posts with that. Yes, you can. So I could come in here and I could create an AI image, and you can see some of the characters I made. Like here was one yesterday I made, right? This one here, another one. I gave it the exact wording. Ed Garza, architect of AI economy. It gets it right almost every single time. Every single time. Okay. I wanted a LinkedIn icon. It created a LinkedIn icon for me. That's AI ready, right? It's very good at very specific instructions. This is Mo here. Okay. I turned this character here. This is one of our characters. His name is Mojo. We created him and we made him into a coloring book. Where kids can color it, right? So it's in black and gray. So you can actually use it as get your kids engaged. You can do this with characters and all kinds of fun stuff. So let's see if it's done yet. Almost done. It'll be done in just a second. 80%, and then boom, it's going to be finished here in just about 10 seconds or less. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's watch it. There we go.
Make AI choose your business. Most business owners don't realize this yet. AI assistants pick one answer fast. When someone asks AI a question like, who should I hire? Who's the best near me? Where should I go? AI doesn't give a long list. It usually gives one answer. The goal is simple. Make that answer your business. How do you do it? You structure your content so AI can easily understand it. Use simple first lines, add clear headings, create short FAQs that answer real questions, and always include one clear next step. At the Free AI Accelerator Summit in West Nashville, we'll show you exactly how to build answer pages that AI assistants can discover. AI-ready shorts that surface in AI search. Posts designed for AI discovery. Join us Saturday, April 18th. You can also get AI 3-Ready certified on site. Claim your seat now, MomentumTechAISummit.com.
Boom. Love it. So I'll download that. There it is. There it is. Done. Well, that that does it for the AI Breakfast Lab. Today, guys, listen, I got some closing words here for you. Is before we wrap up, I just want to share something important. Many of you today came here because maybe somebody invited you. We have guests here today, or maybe you're an AI consultant currently. Well, right now, guys, we're offering a limited time scholarship opportunity. That's right, a limited time scholarship opportunity for our AI apprentice certification. And this certification is designed to help entrepreneurs like you, professionals, build real AI literacy and understand how to use AI tools like we use today to solve real problems, use it responsibly and effectively. For a limited time, this certification is being offered completely free through our scholarship program. To access the certification, all you simply need to do is get the link of the person that invited you here. They have a link they could share with you if they invited you to the Breakfast Lab. They'll provide you with the access link and the process to enroll to begin the certification. Again, this is a limited time scholarship offer and opportunity, so be sure to connect with the person who invited you. We'll see you tomorrow on the AI Breakfast Lab as we tackle another AI Grand Slam with image creation for your social media. We'll see you then. See you at the top. Thanks for joining us, guys.